G'day, it's Mark from Nature and Places to Go. I'm on day 2 of my trip down to the bottom parts of Victoria, the Great Ocean Road. I'm in Lorne here this morning, had a good night's sleep. So I'm just going to come down to the beach. Sunrise will be in about half an hour or so. So we're in the what they call the blue hour. But the sun has not risen over the horizons just yet. Anyway, we're going to go down here, try and find a spot and take a few shots. All right.
Wet sand at sunrise often reflects the sky, creating mirror-like visuals for photographers. Once a quiet logging settlement, the town transformed with the rise of tourism in the early 1900s. Golden pink sunrises light up the bay, giving the town its early morning glow. A mild climate makes the town a year-round destination for hikers and swimmers. The town is a favourite base for exploring the Otways waterfalls and fern gullies. Foreshore is among the most photographed coastal strips in Victoria. Lorne's wildlife includes sulphur crested cockatoos that gather noisily around the foreshore. Along a dramatic curve of the Great Ocean Road, the town sits where rainforest meets the sea. Patrolled beaches in summer make the area especially safe for families. Lorne's surf breaks are mellow compared to nearby Bells Beach. More than 10 waterfalls lie within a short drive, making the town a natural gateway. Low tide reveals rock pools filled with starfish, crabs, and tiny marine ecosystems. Mild summers and cool, misty winters come from the ocean-moderated climate.
Wow, that was a beautiful sunrise. So I've just done a little bit of filming and enjoying the way that sun came up. I actually got a little bit of a surprise. I wasn't quite sure exactly where in the sky it was going to come up. Turned out, well, it just revealed itself from the clouds almost instantaneously. It was quite a surprise. And later today, we will do some waterfalls. Okie doke. All right, guys, see you soon.